Hello. Okay, I had a full day. I'll tell you about that in another video. But I came back to my apartment to find 4 packages. Okay, as you know, one of my mains, Nacho, the first time he sent me roach spray. The second time, he sent me, what do you call it? A banana hammock G-string. It was a guy's cut. Okay. This last video of opening a package, I tried to psych him out like it was one of his packages when it was really my medication in the mail. Okay, so we're gonna open these up together. And you never know what they're going to be, because Nacho is a jokester. So here we go. First package. I love opening up packages. You know that? I wonder what it is. Black Magic. What is it? I can't see. I think it's an eyeliner. I don't know. I need more light. I don't have light. God said, let there be light. Let me go get my keys. Hold on. They got a flashlight on them. Hold on. Hoy, chingada. Ah! I almost fell. I'm okay. Oh, okay. I got a flashlight. It's on this. Oy, chingada. My back hurts. Okay. I have a flashlight. Hold on. Okay. You're amazing. One precision brush tick. Stop. Delivers a single. Oh, wow. It is eyeliner. Oh, thank you. Where'd it go? Thank you. It's eyeliner. Eyeliner. Okay. We're going to open. Hello, can you see me now? We're going to open. I love opening up packages. Wait, let me put this in the box. I don't want to mess it up. I don't usually use liquid. But you know what? I'm going to give it a try because, let's see what this one is. But the thing about it is I can barely draw my eyebrows. There's no freaking light in the bathroom or in this apartment. As you can see, the light's on. And I only have, I only have 2 working plugs. You know, Jessica made me an amazing lamp out of a skateboard that my Brody Carlos used to use when I was learning how to walk. Re-walk for the 5th time in my life. Okay, I love this stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's combat gel. This is some good crap. It's gel. And you just put it around the corners. Like just a dot here and a dot there. Everywhere a dot or like a little tiny bit on the edges. And it gets rid of roaches good. This is the shit right here. Thank you. Okay, we're going to open this one next. This is exciting. I love even getting mail that's not bills or, you know, not stuff like that. What do you think it is? Oh, right on. Adjustable and foldable phone stand. Yeah, I will use that. I will use that. I just got to figure out how. Right on. Thank you, Nacho. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Oh, wow. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me, buddy. Move. Move. Move, buddy. That's my little furry friend. Okay, I have to read directions on this. But luckily, it's hard to open and stuff, so that means it's a good one. Not from the 99-cent store for $4. You know, stuff online is pretty good. Right on. I just got to figure out how to use this. These two, I know how to use. This I need light for. Does this come with instructions? I don't know. This one I got to figure out. Phone stand. Thank you. Okay. This is the final and last one. Yeah, I love even getting cards in the mail or, you know, something thoughtful. Okay. What is it? I don't know. It might be men's underwear. You know, I use, you know, like jockey shorts and boxer shorts. But, it's been too cold to use them now. You get me? I don't know what it is. Okay. We're going to have to cut it further. Cut it further. Cut. Oh, shit. I better be careful because there's no light in here. I mean, there's limited light in here. These are underwear. I don't know. They're mesh, but they're not the kind of cut I like. I prefer like boy shorts underwear. To me, these look like old ladies' underwear. But I will wear them because they're small and they fit. And all my underwears are like hanging off my butt. But it was thoughtful. And they're mesh, like see-through. But nobody wants to see the skin hanging off my butt. But I will wear them. Oh, wow. There's 5 pairs even. 5 pairs. You know what? That was thoughtful. I love Nacho for that. You know, that he was thoughtful. I mean, but would you want to see your girl in a pair of underwear like this? You get me? But I'll wear them because I have no underwear that fit me. You see them? They're see-through. Kind of like mesh. See, that was thoughtful. White. I don't wear much white because, oh, now you can see the cut. It's kind of old ladies cut, but I'm grateful and I appreciate them because they fit. They're size small. I had underwear, in fact, brand new ones, that I threw away that were like size 2X, you know, extra, extra large, you know, large. I mean, I had underwear that were like huge, brand new ones that I had put away, and, yeah. Oh, wow. There's 3, 4, 5. Right on. I have underwear that fit. Yeah, and like all of my clothes that like just hang, I mean, I used to love to wear like camouflage. I had camouflage pants, like the real ones from the surplus guy in San Pedro that were $30-something, and they were heavy duty. Had to give those away. Those were too big for me. I've only worn them like 3 times. There was camouflage shirts that I only wore like once or twice. Camouflage, different camouflage. I had like 3 different camouflage cargo pants. Those were $35 plus tax. I mean, I don't really wear like good clothes unless I'm going somewhere. Or I don't wear my uniform, like, my Dickies and my Ben Davis, and they're huge on me, but I still wear them. But, most of the time I dress in pajamas or stretchies, and I'll wear the same shit for days. I don't care. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm not trying to impress anybody around here. But you know what? I love opening up mail, personal mail. And thank you, Nacho. I love you, Nach. Okay. You know what? I ain't gonna trip on the trash. I've been gone all day. And, this is still on. Hello. Orale, hello. Throw your ass up in the air and say, hello. That's mine. I made that up a long time ago. It belongs to me. I didn't get it on a movie or anything. It's hello. Orale, hello. Throw your ass up in the air and say, hello. You like that one? One of my pickup lines that, from a long time ago, and then I told it to a couple people. They're like, Brenna, did you really pick up a girl with that? How many girls have you got with that line? And I'm like, saddle. Sad girl. Really? Where'd you get that from? Shit, that's mine. All mine, baby. But, I'm going to make a couple more videos. Collage of my day, with Wino and with, Shorty. I had a great day. My spine hurts. I'm worn out. But, you know what? I feel blessed. And like I said, I feel loved. These 3 men, they're my faves. They're from the hood, and I call them my mains. They're 3 different people. They have the same heart for the hood, but they're different. They're so different, but yet they have the same love, and they love me, and I love them a lot. Not in a weird sort of way. Nacho's like 2 hours away. Shorty's like over an hour away, like an hour and a half, some shit like that. Marlon's the closest, but still, he seems so far away. And he helps me in so many ways. And, but, Shorty, because, I didn't want to have to have Martin do so much for me. You know what I mean? He does a lot for me. I didn't want him to, you know, if I'm going to see him tomorrow for the Hawthorne Cruise Night, which I'm looking forward to, you know, if he's going to take me tomorrow, I didn't want him showing up to take me grocery shopping today, or, you know, his thoughtful ass, you know. I mean, you know, and Nacho, you know, I talk to these guys every day, practically. Sometimes I don't talk to Nacho every day, but, you know, it doesn't matter how far they are. It just, you know, when you have people that love you and that care about you, you know, regardless of who it is, you know, no matter how seldom you see them, you know, or no matter what, carry them in your heart, love and appreciate them, and feel blessed for the love that you have, instead of thinking about the screwed up stuff like being targeted and gang stalked, you know, and who's not loving you properly, or who should be loving you that doesn't act like they do. You get me? But gifts or no gifts, you know, even if it's just laughter, or just being there to listen, or just answering your calls, or texting you to check up on you, that's love. You know, fuck all these people that, you get me? And all praise to the Most High for putting these people in our lives, whether they be personally in our lives or close or not. You know, I appreciate it. I appreciate having people that love me, whether they're near or not, whether I see them every blue moon or not. Okay. Peace out. Peace out, my friends, my fellow TIs. Peace, love, laughter, and blessings.